bulletproof windows in FiveM. Every forum post, every Discord answer, every tutorial you find says the same thing. Buy ZModeler, so I did not. There is a completely free way to do this using Blender. The reason nobody talks about this is not because it is hard, it is because the people who know how to do it already paid for ZModeler and stopped looking. In this video, I am going to show you the exact workflow step by step. If you are building a FiveM server on a budget, spending money on a 3D software license just to change one flag on one mesh is a bad use of money. Blender is free, Sollumz is free, and the result is identical. You do not need ZModeler for this. I have been doing GTA 5 and FiveM vehicle work in Blender with Sollumz for a while now. This is the same workflow I use for all of my vehicle builds. It is not a workaround, it is just the right way to do it in Blender. One thing before we start, if you do not have Blender and Sollumz installed yet, watch this video first. I will add a card so you can tap it right now. It walks you through the full setup. Come back here once that's done. Alright, let's get into it. Before we get started, I had some issues with Blender, so I recommend if you have issues with shader maps or whatnot to use Blender 4.5 LTS. This is a long-term support of Blender. I have zero issues with this. I used the latest at the time of recording this. It was 5.1 and I couldn't even export vehicle. So if you have any weird issues, uninstall Blender and install Blender 4.5 for the best experience. So now let's get into it. I have downloaded my car already. If we go into my downloads folder, I have the car ready. So the folder should have these two YFT files. So now let's open Blender. Now that Blender opened, you can click anywhere. Now let's delete the three things from our collection. So hold shift and right click and delete. Now you want to hold V and go to import rage assets with your mouse and release. Then you want to go to your downloads and then click on your vehicle. And then you should have the one without the underscore high and ensure you have these settings selected. Let's import the rage assets. Give it like 10 seconds. Now that it has loaded in, you want to hold shift V and you want to first of all hide the shader map, then hold shift V again and also hide the collisions. So now you should have something like this. Now let's make this a bit bigger and open this and then open the .col. And then you should have all of these things here. You want to take the I or hold down with mouse. So now they are all visible, the collisions for our windows. Let's click on one and then you want to go here and scroll all the way down and you should see this icon called the material properties. Click on that and as you can see, yours could have some different name, but here it is called car glass weak. So this is not bulletproof, obviously. Now go back with your cursor 3D view and click N and then you should also have here an option Sollumz tools. So click on that. Let's expand this a bit. Go into collisions, create collision material. And let's expand this. Now click on the chevron to show more filtering options and search for car glass. Now here are all the options that the car glass gives. So we have car glass weak, medium, strong, and bulletproof. Now I'll play some B-roll on what the strong car glass actually does. You can shoot around probably 10 to 12 bullets before the glass breaks. So once you shoot enough bullets, the glass will break. Now I'll show you some B-roll on how the bulletproof works. You could shoot this bulletproof glass 10 million times and it would still not penetrate like the car glass strong. So if you don't want to keep the server realistic and you need like full bulletproof to take like 10 million bullets and more, you need car glass bulletproof. And if you want realistic like how it is in real life, you need to take car glass strong. It depends on your needs. For this tutorial, we'll use the bulletproof. Click on the car glass bulletproof and click on convert to selected. Now as you can see here, it should be changed to car glass bulletproof. Now you want to hold shift and click on this. Now everything should be highlighted, but ensure the first one you click is the primary one. If it's not, hold control, click it, and then click again. Now let's go back to the 3D scene with your cursor and then click Control L and you should see an option to link materials. You want to click this and now all the materials are linked. If you click on something else, as you can see, it's all car glass bulletproof. Now our vehicle is done. Now let's export it by first of all selecting the car and then go back to the 3D view and hold V and then hover with your mouse to export to rage assets. Then go to your downloads folder and to your vehicle. Do note you probably earlier selected this YTD. If you export right now, it will override the YTD. So if you don't want to override it and you're not sure about what you've done, make a new folder here and add the YTDs later. Here for the the export settings, you have to look carefully. I disabled CodeWalker export in XML because I do not need this and it's just bloat for me. I only ticked on the native because that is what we need. And FiveM runs on Gen 8, that means GTA 5 Legacy, and Gen 9 means GTA 5 Enhanced, which FiveM does not support. So export the vehicle for the Gen 8 version and click on export rage assets. Now this is probably gonna take 20 seconds. Alright, my car has been exported. Now I see it here. Now I'll install this in my server. Go to my Z editor, resources, custom vehicles, civilian vehicles. I'll make a new folder, call it Mercedes, and then I'll just drag the entire folder in here. Now we're almost done. What we need to do now is go into the vehicles on meta file, and you should see something like this. Go all the way down until you see flags, and I have quite a bit of flags. So here at the end, add a space and copy this flag and paste it right here. I'll leave this in the description, and then save the file and start your server. Alright, we spawn the car in and let's get a weapon and test it out. And as you can see, the windows are completely bulletproof. You cannot penetrate them at all. Your window is now bulletproof and you did not spend a single euro to get here. ZModeler has become the default answer in GTA 5 modding space. While a huge portion of what it does, Blender and Sollumz can do it for free. If you are building a serious modding setup on a budget, Sollumz is the answer. If you ran into something specific during this, drop it into the comments. I read them. If you want more Sollumz, the Discord is where I share things before they become videos. Link is in the description. Subscribe if you want to see more, and see you in the next one.